Hey guys, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to run an existing React app in Visual Studio Code. In order to make this work, you must have NodeJS installed on your system first. In my previous tutorial, I already explained how to do that. So open up your VSCode editor and go to File, Open Folder, and scan your hard drive for an existing React application project folder. So here I'm navigating to my projects folder on C drive. React folder. The project name is YouTube. So I'm going to click on that and click Select Folder. So here I have just opened my React application, and it's just a really basic program with a couple of components. Here I have a main React app and a component named Hi. Now in the upper menu in VS Code, I'm going to go to Terminal. And here I'm going to click New Terminal. Now, when you do that from a open project, VS Code is going to navigate to that directory automatically. So here we have React YouTube project. And so finally, in order to run this existing React project, all you have to do is type npm start and hit enter. Now you're going to see a bunch of stuff happening in the terminal on the command line, but finally your app should open automatically in your browser at HTTP localhost port 3000. And here's my React app running in the browser, and that's pretty much all there is to running an existing app in VS Code.